Have you ever felt like you're not living up to your full potential? Or have you ever felt like you're not living the life you were born to live? If you have, then you're entirely correct, because like everybody in the world, you're not living the life you were born to live. You're living the life you were programmed to live. So let me explain. Your brain and my brain is not like a computer. It is a computer, the most advanced computer that the world has ever known. But like computers, it is useless without programs that sit within the computer. If you don't have programs within the computer will not be able to do anything. It will not be able to operate and make things happen. So we have to get, as children, programs installed onto our hard drive so that we can move through the world, we can operate within the world. So where do these programs come from? They come from the people around us. We get the programs from our caregivers, from our parents, from our teachers, from the media, from our friends, etc. But the problem is we often get dysfunctional programs uploaded or downloaded onto our hard drive, and then we go through what could be the rest of our life running off those unconscious programs, and we think we're living consciously, but we're not. So we know that 95% of our life is on unconscious autopilot, and that autopilot is operating off those programs. Often, as I said, those insufficient programs, those bad programs, those programs that are actually clashing with one another. So if we want to live a life on our terms, if we want to live the life we were born to live, we need to get inside the hard drive and change the programs. We need to make sure that those programs are in alignment with our ambition. If they're not, they're going to be in disalignment with our ambition, and therefore we're going to start self-sabotaging ourselves. So we are like a computer, more than we think we are. We are a computer. And if you want to see what programs are operating on your hard drive, look at your life. Your life is a printout of the programs that sit within it. So if you want to know what programs are running in relation to your career, look at the state of your career. If you want to know what programs are running in relation to your relationships, look at the printout of your relationships. If you want to know what your programs are running in relation to finances or health, look at the printout of your finances and health. Literally look at the printout. That will tell you what the programs are. Then you need to go in and change the programs. But here's the thing, just like a computer, you can't change it by just shouting at it as much as you would like to. If you shout at a hard drive, a physical hard drive on the desk, fuck all's gonna happen. You're not talking the right language. And anyway, you've not plugged yourself into the hard drive in any way that's gonna make any meaningful change. You need to plug yourself into the hard drive and speak the hard drive's language if you want to change the programs. So if you're not happy with your life, if you're not happy with the printout that you're seeing, let's start talking about changing the programs that you're operating from 95% of your waking life.